why did I reject to represent this fiance visa case? Hi, I'm attorney Alicia Morgan, and I help immigrants reunite with their family or stay united with them. I want to tell you about this case because it was interesting. The first red flag that helped me to know I shouldn't represent them is that they had never met in person. So it's actually a requirement of USCIS for the fiance visa that you must have met in person in the last 2 years before you file your fiance visa application. So that was a problem, but when I explained that to the beneficiary, which she was the only one on the line, she let me know that he had given her some excuses as to why he couldn't go visit her. First was he had like a medical condition. He mentioned he had diabetes, but to my knowledge, you can take your insulin and your medicine with you when you go on a flight to anywhere. And then second, he said that he's always working, so he didn't have time. And his third excuse was he didn't have money. But if he's always working, he should have money, right? In any event, we found out because I had told her, listen, this isn't going to work for the fiance visa. He's going to have to visit you. She told that to him. And then he said, oh, if you pay for my flight, beneficiary, then I will go and see you. So that's the last red flag for me. Your spouse or your fiance should not be asking you to pay the beneficiary. In this situation, she was from Pakistan, so she definitely had less earning potential than the United States citizen partner had, right? So it's not fair to ask her to pay his ticket, and it does not sound like love at all if he's asking that. Because someone who loves their partner is going to find the money, will find the time, will take off work, will do what they need to do to visit you. So it's a red flag not only to me as a lawyer, but also to immigration if you start a case in this way. Also, there's going to be lots of cultural differences. There will be lots of other problems that will arise in the case. But I declined to continue pursuing this prospect once I realized the level of, disinterest that the petitioner has for the case. Let us know if you have more questions about your fiance or marriage case. We'll be happy to help.